Bison fans, welcome in ahead of Season 2 of Bloomington Bison ECHL hockey at the Grossinger Motors Arena. We are so excited to kick things off with some brand new upgrades to the facility, and starting off with brand new LED ribbons that Abe will show you on this tour of his crib. Additional renovations include brand new dasher boards and glass, so when you're sitting in your premium seating location like we're at now, you can see clearly for all the big hits, all the big plays, and all the big goals. For when it's feeding time, you'll notice renovations to the restaurant as well, including a raised ceiling, new paint across the entire area, and a bison head behind the bar. Finally, you'll notice as you're making your way around the concourse on the south side of the arena, a mural that was freehand painted by Grossinger Motors Arena's very own Maurice Woodfork. We look forward to seeing you 36 times here at the Grossinger Motors Arena. Thank you so much for checking out where the magic happens. And until next time, horns up and go Bison.